If the world's population is a cake and is divided into 4 parts, one part is the share of the Muslims. Despite the media propaganda against Islam and Muslims over the last 2 decades, there are about 1.8 billion Muslims living on 6 continents, and population growth charts show that within another 40 years, Islam will be the religion with the largest number of adherents in the world. But have you ever wondered that in a world where the highest economic income belongs to the 10 largest companies in the fields of oil, gas and technology, and the world public opinion is directed by 6 or 7 big media giants, what the share and role of Muslim nations in the equations are? Countries such as Indonesia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Iran, Turkey, Egypt, Iraq and Saudi Arabia, which have the largest Muslim populations, are the sources of large amounts of mineral resources and natural and human capital. Each of these countries has its own specialized and educated workforce and has global economic rankings in various fields, from agriculture, medicine, to military, missile and food industries. A simple statistical analysis is enough to make all of us realize the potential power of the Muslim Ummah. If Muslims paid attention to the internal capacities of the Islamic world, instead of competing to connect more with Western companies, and, like in the early days of Islam during the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, have a brotherly concern for growth and promotion, no corporation or major economic power, from China to the United States, would be able to compete economically and politically with the Islamic world. For example, suppose that through trade exchanges and military and industrial treaties, Muslim governments also contributed to economic, political, and security growth. Or suppose that instead of the euro and the dollar, a separate currency was formed between them so that the false hegemony of the dollar is broken, and Western colonialism can't easily sanction a country. This great secret is what makes the Western world always seek to create tension and discord between Muslim governments. Today, in the 21st century, Islamic unity can help Muslim governments and people more than ever.